Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Scorpio. So watch this video if you're a Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If you do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, link is in the description. The name is also popping on the screen somewhere here. Right. Let's see messages for Scorpio, please. Give me the present energy for Scorpio. Four of Cups. Discontent, thinking about something. Alright. So Scorpio, I see that there's a lot of discontent. You really want something to move very quickly, alright? You want things to just go on and on and on. You want something to start very quickly, but the problem is that things are not moving as quickly, and that is actually giving you a sense of discontentment. Some of you, I feel that you are too fixated on what is not working rather than what can work for you, and because of that you might actually miss an opportunity. So try to have your heart open, eyes open, ears open, because there could be a missed opportunity. And especially in career or finance, maybe you were hoping for something and you were so fixated on hoping for that universe is giving you something better than that and you will not pay attention. Alright, I see that you're also trying to hasten things up. You want to speed up things, but everything happens at its own divine timing, and just because you think that something should happen in a certain time, it will not happen during that time. Alright, so you really need to understand that. Some of you, you're also using a lot of your brain and not at all emotions, and because of that you're feeling very discontent. So some of you use your brain because your brain is given to you for a reason, right? So don't try to attempt everything just by your logic. Try to bring in some emotions as well, and do not try to hasten the things, right? Things take their own timing. You don't have to speed up anything, or you cannot slow anything. All right, everything will happen on its own timing. Just because something is not happening, do not try to lose hope, because if you will be losing hope, you will feel discontent, and then you will not look for the blessings that you still have in your life, and that is further going to depress you. So you don't want that, right? I'm sure you don't want that. All right, let's see your message, Scorpio. Chariot. What is this? I just told you here that don't try to hasten the things up, and your goal is to hasten things up. I really feel that you're wanting movement in something. You want something to quickly happen. You're really very impulsive, I would say, and you want something to happen very quickly. Let me know in the comments what it is. Maybe you want a connection to happen very quickly. Maybe you want somebody to give you communication very quickly. Maybe you just want somebody to open to you very quickly, and this person is taking time. It's all causing a lot of discontent for you. I don't know, some of you, you're trying to move places, so you're hoping for a good news, so that like your visa is approved, your offer letter is whatever, something about travel, something about movement. So I see that you're just hoping for something to happen very, very quickly, be it career, be it relationship, be it whatever. And the problem is that things are not happening as quickly. Some of you, you're also trying to control the situation. So you just want to control everything. You just want to take the control in your own hands, and you want to fix everything. Your message again, let loose. Don't try to take everything in your own hands. Nature, universe, everything has a divine timing, and things happen on their own time. Just because you want to control everything, just because you want everything to happen in a certain time, it will not happen. So don't try to overstress yourself. All right. Queen of Cups. If you feel whether somebody loves you or not, if you feel that if like you might be approaching somebody, you might have approached somebody and you want a clarification, communication, or you just in no contact period with somebody and you're hoping for this communication and it is not coming in and you're losing your shit. So you're also feeling whether this person loves me or not, or am I wasting my time? The messages this person do. Some of you, you're dealing with someone who's very stubborn, so this person does not believe in showing their emotions. They try to hide their emotions, so they are one of those people who try to hide their emotions, right? So I see that somebody has emotions and feelings for you, but the problem is that this person likes to keep things hanging. So this person is a motherfucker and they are very stubborn. All right, this person just want to stress you. This person likes to keep things hanging. They are really trying to unnecessarily keep things hanging with you. They're delaying the things, And because of the delay, you're losing the hope. But this person is enjoying it. This person is enjoying the show that they're putting up. So this person has feelings for you, but they're showing to you that they don't care, so that things can be just hanging, or they're just taking a lot of time to reciprocate. I don't know what it is. You are becoming restless, and this person, this motherfucker, enjoying the show. They really like the fact that you are stressed. Somebody is trying to play games with you, so let me just make you aware. Don't try to be a part of the games, alright? Don't try to feel discontent. Don't try to feel as if things are not happening, because things are happening. This person likes you. They're just not showing it to you, alright? Yeah, see? This person's feelings towards you, the sun card. Some of you, this person feels you're a soulmate or you make them very happy. This person feels that you are their source of happiness, inspiration. This person really likes you. Some of you, this person definitely feels that you have a long way to go and you can definitely have a future. But then why are they playing games? Why is this person playing games? Why is this person playing? Yeah, world card. They want to take it slow. They don't want to give you the sense of security that, oh my god, I'm there for you, Scorpio. That kind of a person. You're dealing with somebody who just tries to contemplate things a lot before they make a move. So you're dealing with someone who's very analytical in their approach. They just want to introspect everything and then they will come towards you. What the hell is up with this person? Who the hell are you dealing with? This person is stubborn. They don't want to make a move. This person is taking things very, very slow. They have feelings. They have a lot of feelings. But when it comes to expression, they're very slow. This person is taking it really, really slow with you, and that is actually causing the problem. Some of you, this person is doing things very half-heartedly. You know, when it comes to taking action into the connection, they're just very half-heartedly invested. So you are more invested and they are not as much. They want you to do everything, and that is why that's the problem. I see you have more passion than this person. See, this is your energy. This is this person's energy. They are just taking it very, very slow. They don't want to hasten this up. You want to hasten this up. And that is why all this chaos is happening between you and them. Scorpio, slow the fuck down. Why are you hastening the things? Breathe, honey, breathe. Alright. Let's see, how is this person viewing my Scorpio? Page of Cups. They know that you are going to message them. This person is hoping for a communication. Some of you, this person wants to apologize. I don't know. If they did something to you, expect an apology coming in from them. This person has a lot of feelings and a lot of future plans with you. Some of you, this person definitely feels you are a wish fulfillment of some sort. You know what? This person is fooling you. They are trying to show you that they don't give a fuck, or maybe Scorpio, you are doing, I don't know. But one of you is trying to show to the other person that they are not as interested, but this person is losing their shit off with the other person. They definitely love this other person. They just want to rush in. They're pooping their pants. They want to talk. What is up? Why are you playing the game, or why is this person playing the game? When there is so much of love, why is there so less expression? This is what they feel about you. This person thinks that you are some next level shit. They think that you make them very happy. You are the one they can be happy with. Some of you, this person is manifesting you. And now it's like the prayers are being heard. And now they're trying to back off. I don't know. What the hell? What the hell is happening here? Let's see this person's next action. King of Wands, passion. This person wants you. They do. But they're trying to show you that they don't care. And some of you, you know this. You very well know. You being Scorpio, you're very intuitive. So I see that you can see through their games. You very well know this person has feelings. And maybe that is why you approached them, but then they started acting cold. This is their next action towards you. Like, this is what they want. Passion, action. But what are they doing? Five of Pentacles. They're trying to show you that, no, I'm not interested. And you know it. You can see through their games, isn't it? Seven of Wands. You're really tired of this person's games now. You feel this person is very immature. You feel, why the fuck is this person playing so many games? Some of you might actually block this person because of their games. It's like, you'll be like, go fuck off, play your games, and then when you mature, come back to me. So you might just do that. You might just lose your shit. What's going to be the outcome here between Scorpio and their person? Page of Wands. and the Judgment at the bottom. Things will go back to what it was between both of you. I see you guys will be together. I see your passion reigniting. So I see that, okay, for some of you, I see that you were involved with each other in the past, like there was physical intimacy or it was just love or whatsoever. So I see that you had a lot of passion to begin with. I see you guys, that passion will be reignited. You know, Judgment card is actually the past repeating itself. King of Swords. Is this an air sign that you're dealing with? This person is quiet as fuck. But this person has passion. This person is air sign, but they have fire sign kind of feelings for you. Or they have fire sign and they have fire sign kind of feelings. I don't know. This person has a lot of love. They're just fooling you. That's the message here. This person is playing games that they don't care, but they care for you. See, some of you, this person is lying. This person is wearing a false mask. This person wears a false mask that they don't care about you. They do. They do, yes. This is how they see you. Queen of Cups and the Nine of Cups. Sorry, Queen of Pentacles and the Nine of Cups with the Page of Cups. This person is dying without you, you know. You are some sort of oxygen for them. But then they are not showing it to you. Because they don't want to be exposed. This person wants to keep their false mask on. What's the advice for Scorpio? Eight of Swords. Stop feeling stuck. Some of you, you're just trying to speed up the process. It's not happening and you're feeling very, very stuck. Come out of your victim mindset. Your life is not stuck. You know, things are moving. This person is not going anywhere. They're going to take action towards you. They love you. They do. But you just need to stop giving them so much. Some of you, you're just trying to pursue this person. You're like, oh my God, do it. And this person is like, no, I don't want you. I don't like you. I don't have feelings for you. When you will stop giving it to this person, they are going to come towards you very straight up clear. Your message is to not feel stuck and don't feel like a victim. Why are you feeling like a victim? Everything is working for you. This person likes you. They're manifesting. They're manifesting you. And then they're putting up a game. Like, what kind of a stupid is this person? Death and the Two of Wands. What? You feel it is over? It is not. Very soon I see you will be having a choice to make whether to stay with this person or move on, but I see you will choose to stay because you love them too. Some of it's a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. I see a lot of love, willingness to stay together here, but I see that two mature people just playing games with each other, to be honest. You're trying to speed up the process, this person trying to take it very casually, and then a whole reading is getting messed up. Okay. Anything for my single Scorpions? Ooh, unexpected marriage proposal coming towards you, unexpected relationship, something which can turn into something more meaningful. Some of you, there is marriage on your cards. Some of it's Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio or Taurus coming towards you. And it's going to be very unexpected. Some of you very unexpectedly getting married or getting engaged to somebody. So you being single, you're like, love is not for me, and then somebody steps into your life and you're like, hey, I'm engaged. You know, that kind of thing. So for my singles, I see marriages on your cards. For people who are not single, I see this person loves you. They're just playing games. Don't pay heed to this person. Alright, any other message for Scorpio, please? Flirt. See? This person wants to flirt with you. They are in love. Past life relation. It's a past person, yes. And stay optimistic about your love life. And this could be the one. Some of you Scorpio, you've already met the person you are supposed to be with. This person is just playing games. And if you're losing hope, as I already said, you're feeling very discontent about your love life, you are like, nothing is moving. Your message is, it is moving. You're just not seeing it because this person, whoever you're connecting with, this person is playing games. And that is why you're not able to see it. You just need to be more optimistic in your love life. Things are falling into place, alright? Universe has heard you. You just need to have some more patience, that's it. Alright, that was the reading. Hope this helps to resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.